The practice of continually and continuously dumping hard-earned taxpayer money into this disastrous facility will not continue under my watch. This truly is an historic day for Baltimore City and for the state of Maryland. Leaders in the legislature said it would take 10 years to close this jail. We shut the jail down in just a few weeks. In just a few moments, we will begin the process of demolishing the decaying buildings behind me and around me at the Baltimore City Correctional Complex. And we will finally bring an end to the long, ugly history of deplorable conditions at this jail. Beginning today, we are making room for a new therapeutic detention center. This new facility will be an important and much-needed resource as we continue to fight the heroin, opioid, and substance abuse crisis.